Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the two ways on how to read messages on Messenger without being seen. It's just quick and easy to do. Just follow the video till the end. So first, let's open the Messenger app. To start, I'm going to show you the first way to see messages without being seen. So the first step is click the three bar icon. Then, click the settings icon. Scroll down and click the privacy and safety button. Scroll down again and click the read receipts. Then, just slide down the button so that the read receipts will be turned off. Once it is turned off, people will not going to see you if you read their message, and the same goes to you. You won't know if people see your messages. So let's go back to the chat menu and I'll show you the second way. The second way is straightforward and easy. You just need to restrict their accounts. So to restrict their accounts, just long press the chat icon of the person you want to restrict, then click the restrict button. Once you restrict them, they will not know if you read their message. You can check that in the same privacy and safety section. Scroll down and click the restricted account button. And click the account. And it will say that they can't see you if you read their message. And that's it. Easy work. If you find this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.